Hi and welcome. Thank you for joining We Love Juicers Juicing for Health. And today we're going to be showing you two juicers. One is a centrifugal juicer, which means that it spins round at a very high speed and extracts your juices. And the other one is a slow single auger masticating juicer. Don't be put off by the name of this one. They're both excellent juicers, and if you're new to juicing, then either one of them would be good for you. Now, this one here, which is the centrifugal juicer, generally these are used for people who haven't got much time and if they want to get their juices done quickly. There are some people that say that the centrifugal juicers put a little bit of heat into the juice, which kills some of the live enzymes, which is why you want to be juicing. However, in time, I've had both these juicers for some time now, and I haven't really noticed too much of a difference. The only difference may be that you do actually extract more juice from one of these slower masticating juicers, but they're both excellent. So I've got some carrots that I've cut up here earlier, and I was going to show you how this one goes. Now, the pros of this one, as I've just recently said, are that you can get more juice from these. You're not putting any heat into the produce, the fruit and the vegetables. However, the one thing that this juicer needs is time, because you have to cut up the fruit and vegetables and put them down into this hole here, whereas this one on the bigger juicer is for whole fruits, so you can put the whole fruits in there, and hence this one is a lot quicker. So we'll just show you how this one works first. We put the carrots. Today we're just keeping it simple. We've just gone with a simple carrot juice recipe, which is absolutely delicious. If you've never tried carrot juice before, you will love this. I was totally amazed. You wouldn't, so you put your carrots in there and then you press down. The juice comes out of this part and then the pulp is collected in this bowl here. So we keep going. So you can see that it's fairly time consuming having to push this down. With both the juicers, I would advise that you put the pulp through a couple of times again. Some people might not do that, but I like to do it because you definitely do extract more juice by doing that. So you can see here that the juice is coming down into this little container. Oops. And the pulp is going into this bowl here. Let's pop some more in there for you. I mean, these are great juices. You just need a little bit more time to prepare the produce and pop it in the machine. So you can see how time consuming it is. Having said that, these juicers are really good because you can actually juice wheatgrass in them. Whereas in this centrifugal one, you can't do wheatgrass or very small green leaves. So it's worth taking note of that if you were going to get into wheatgrass at a later date. On our Facebook page, which we'll link you to underneath this video, we show you some slow masticating juicers, some centrifugal juicers, and we also go upmarket for two really heavyweight juicers, which crush and grind the produce in a different way with magnetized grinders. They're very heavyweight. They're a little bit more expensive, but the good thing with those are they will last you a lifetime. So, and they're guaranteed for a long time as well. However, these are quite good. If you're going to get one of these, I started off with a centrifugal one, which was very cheap, very budget orientated in the beginning, about 650 watts. But really you need a higher revs per minute. This is 1,000 revs per minute. And by getting those extra revs, you do extract more juice from your produce. So I would say invest in one of these. These are about, in UK, £150. In America and other markets, they're about $180, $190, but you will actually get your money back because you're extracting more juice from when you get one of these juicers. These juicers here, the slow masticating juicers, they are very good, as I say, if you've got the time to use them. And if you're a juicing purist and you don't want to put any heat, although I wouldn't have thought there's too much, into your produce, then one of these are great. These come in at about 170, 180 pounds in the UK and maybe $250, maybe a bit more in America. Of course, this is a Matson, this is a Breville. There are lots of different kinds. On our Facebook page, we've got different juices there for you to choose from and other juicing paraphernalia. So have a look at those when you go there if you want to. Now I'm going to show you how this one works, and this is the Breville. Now this is the whole whole fruit or vegetable juicer. So we can just put the carrots in, because we're doing carrot juice of course, and carrot juice only today. So we'll pop them in. They are whole, they don't need peeling, and of course they are organic. So here we go. Now with, if you can hear me through this bracket, through the noise of the juicer, with juicing it's always best to get organic vegetables because then you don't need to peel them. You've got no worries about all the insecticides, herbicides, fungicides and all the other rubbish that they put in them. And so these juices, these whole fruit, whole vegetable juices are brilliant for that. So now I just put these through once. As I say, I won't go into this now, but I would take the top off, pop it in a bowl, and then I would put it through the juicer maybe once or twice more just to extract the full amount of juice that you can get from this produce. And so there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please look out for our other videos. Please like, please subscribe to the channel, and we will be showing you other juicers, lots of juicing recipes and lots of tips and ways of using your juicer to the best of their abilities. Okay, thanks for watching this video.